Welcome back to this series on MATLAB. I am Pankaj Patil, and in last video we worked on arithmetic operators. So in this video we are going to work on relational operators. We use relational operators when we want to compare two numbers. So let's get started. So in this video and some of next videos we are going to work on operators, and on arithmetic operators we worked previously, and in this video we are working on relational operators, and about logical, bitwise and set operations we are going to work in next videos. So let's start relational operators. So in relational operators we are going to compare two variables with equal to means comparison operator, not equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So what we are going to do, suppose we have variable a equal to 4 and b equal to 6. So if you want to compare both of them, then we are going to compare like a equal to b. So it is not equal to, so it gives 0. 0 means false and 1 means true. So when we get output as 1, so in that case it's true, and when we get 0, so then it is false. So let's assign x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So let's compare them. So let's try x equal to y. So it gives answer is logical 0 means false. Both of them are not equal to. So let's try x tilde not equal to y. So it gives 1 means it's true. So let's try x is greater than y. So it gives 0 means x is not greater than y. Obviously 2 is not greater than 3. So let's try y is greater than x. So it gives, let's try y is greater than x. So it gives 1 means it's true. 3 is greater than 2. So let's try x greater than or equal to y. It gives same 0. It is not equal to and not greater than y. So y is greater than or equal to x is. So let's give x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 and try x is greater than or equal to y. So it gives true because both of them are equal to. So let's give matrix A equal to open bracket 1 2 3 4 close bracket, B equal to open bracket 3 2 4 1, and give A equal to B. So it gives 0 1 0 0 means 1 and 3 are not equal to, 2 and 2 are equal to, and 3 and 4 are not equal to, and 4 and 1 is not equal to. So let's try A tilde equal to B. So it gives 1 0 1 1. It means first term 1 and 3 are not equal to, second terms is false, and next terms are true. So now let's try A is greater than B. So in that it gives 0 0 1, means 1 is greater than 3. It false. Both first three conditions are false. 4 is greater than 1. So it gives 1. So now let's try B is lower than A. So it gives same output. Meaning of both of them is same. So let's try A is greater than or equal to B. So it gives 0 1 0 because second term is equal and 4 is greater than 1. Because of that it gives 0 1 0 1. So let's try B is lower than or equal to A. So it gives 0 0 1 0. Both meaning of both of them is same. And if you liked video, then click on like button, and if you have any queries, then comment, and please share this video. Thank you. See you in next video.